Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this pre-owned 2013 Nautique 230 Super Air. The 230 Super Air is a great boat for surfing, wakeboarding, skiing. It kind of gives you that little bit of everything. And this being a 2013 does have a nice surf system on it. And if you're not looking to get into a brand new boat, this would be a great boat to kind of get you started into the surfing and wakeboard sports. So let's walk through what we got here today. Again, 2013. This has the nice Super Air on the side. It does have the graphic on the side from then. We got the nice red tower with speakers and the wakeboard racks, and kind of give you a little bit of everything there. We got the nice swim platform at the back, and then 2013, so it does have the NSS system, or the Nautique surf system, on both sides as well. So great surf boat, great for a little bit of everything. So let's take a look at the interior, and I want you to climb aboard with me. All right, welcome aboard this 2013 Nautique Super Air 230. So with the 230, obviously 23 feet in length, so we've got some nice space for this boat to bring in family and friends. Love the walkthrough that Nautique does with all their boats. We've got some places to sit back there if you're putting on a board or just kind of hanging out. So nice sea deck that goes all the way through. And on both sides we do have the fat sacks in there, and then this one did come with the cushion that can fill in this area right here if you want to make it a full lounger. And then the sea deck as you come in is kind of nice, so you're not stepping on any cushions. You've got seating all the way around. You do have a nice bench seat right here that does have a backrest that can sit right here. So if everybody's kind of sitting watching the show that way, you have a place for that. We've got storage underneath this seat here, and the cover is underneath there, so there is a full travel cover with this boat as well. Like I mentioned before, we got the Nautique speakers up on top. There is some down lighting underneath those speakers as well. This tower does release down, so if you need to fit it in a garage or a lift, it does come down as well. And then as I keep moving forward, you've obviously got the helm chair here. You've got the nice Nautique steering wheel, and then your information center is right into here. You got buttons that you can press. With all the Nautiques, they don't have any keys or fobs, so you can code your boat, but you can just hit the start button right there, turn your batteries on, and you can get to boating real fast. On the flooring here, we've got our snap-in, snap-out Nautique carpeting. Easy to clean, and it just kind of looks really cool on the floor as well. You've got a nice pull-out trash can right here on this side. And then obviously in the bow of the 230, it has that more traditional pointed bow. There is a filler cushion that's right into here, so if you have 2-3 people that want to sit up here, it's nice and comfortable. Again, the 2013 230 Super Air, this boat has roughly 590 hours on it, is here at our Rogers location if you want to come take a look. Great starter boat if you want to get into surfing and wakeboarding, a little bit of skiing without breaking the bank. So give us a call if you want to come on down, or just stop on by. We'll love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day. Thank you.